The next step is to install this back, this plate, and for that I need the plate itself and these screws B. Screws B are these blue ones over here. I'm going to remove these. And those are going to be installed over here on this back over here. So let me get started on that. So first, as always, I want to test that this actually fits and the inserts are fine. And that is the back plate to be installed. And the way the diagram shows it is that this knob has to be on the front, so it has to be installed this way. First, let's check and make sure that the screws fit in. And those fit in just fine. Yeah.